Hello everybody, we're joined here today by 4 students. We have 3 senior students in grade 10 and a grade 8 student. Alyssa's in grade 8 and we have 3 students, Michaela, Derek, and Courtney with us. They'll be sharing ways that they learn, some of their favorite lessons, and how they learn best. I previously actually recorded, well, I thought I was recording, but I didn't. Was talking with them about ways that I learn best. I know that I learned best when I was shown something, I heard about it, and then I was hands-on. So moving around hands-on, I know it's different for everybody. So we talked about experiments in science, discussions and debates in social studies, and in ELA, reading out loud sometimes and discussing what we're reading. That's how I learned best. So I'm just going to go around the table here and ask a few of your guys' best lessons maybe you've been involved in, or some things that you enjoy. So Michaela, go ahead.
Well, Ms. Rillett, I agree with you. I like
Can I have your
learning
attention,
by...
please? The canteen will be open for snacks for 5 minutes only, beginning now. The canteen is open for 5 minutes for snacks.
And this is what you deal with every day, which is fine. But I'll either edit this out or we'll just continue on. Okay, so go ahead, Michaela.
So I like learning by discussion. I like to be able to read with the teacher and talk about it to understand it further, more into depth. So I understand what I'm learning and not just memorizing it.
Yeah, I think that's great insight. So what you're saying is you enjoy the actual discussion or building upon some thoughts, right, rather than memorizing. Is there a lesson that you've had in the past or anything that you enjoyed more than just paperwork or things like that? Is there anything specific?
Not specific, just class discussions
Discussion.
Debates and hands-on stuff.
Great. Next up is a young man, Derek. He's in grade 10. He'd like to share his thoughts.
I remember when we were in 7 or 8, we did that osmosis experiment with like the carrots and celery. That really helped me learn.
So what you're saying is you're actually seeing what's happening. You're seeing the actual food coloring passing through the cell walls.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent.
I
would agree.
What you're learning.
You're seeing what you're learning rather than it occurring in a textbook, right? You can read it and then it can go one ear and out the other. I've read chapters of books, and I think we've all been in this situation before, where you're daydreaming about something else, or you have a hockey game later on, and you don't even remember what you read, right?
Yeah.
So I think I would agree with that. And it's going to be different for everyone, right? Courtney?
Like Michaela said, I like learning like hands-on and doing activities in that. And I remember in grade 7 and 8 in social studies when we all got into like a little circle, and then we did like a little play of kind of what we were learning. That really helped me learn instead of memorizing stuff out of the textbook.
So what you're saying is skits, right? So kind of taking some of the information that we learned and then performing a skit or sharing what we done. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, just to kind of show, so I can see.
Excellent. Yeah, I like moving around too. It's called kinesthetic learning. That's absolutely something. And hands-on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have our youngest group member here. I think she's a little bit shy, but she'll get through it. She's our jokester of the group. We have Alyssa Corbell. Go ahead.
Well, in science, we're learning a lot of hands-on stuff, and it helps you learn and see what you're learning.
Good, excellent. I've seen some of the things that Mr. Netz has set out. I know you guys have done models of plant cells and animal cells, and I think that you guys probably have shown that you understand it better by actually doing it. So, thank you. Well, thanks everybody for our first session here, and we'll hopefully have you guys on again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.